Last week, Harry and Tash had the smallest room, and they took a hammering from the judges, coming in last place. This week, they have the largest room and only allocated $19,000 in their budget, so the pressure is on.
Were you a bit grumpy on Monday, Harry?
I probably was grumpy. I think there was some misunderstanding when you're told you can only work on a room at a time. That it doesn't mean that you can't demolish a head. So we weren't aware of that.
We'll knock all of this out.
Yes.
We have to rebuild everything. We don't even have a front on the house. Everyone else has got walls at their front.
We're behind.
We're very behind already, and we had no trades today because...
Build walls, got order timber. There's a lot to do.
There's a lot to do.
Harry and Tash are extending the front wall of their house and creating a huge master bedroom and walk-in robe, which at over 33 square metres is larger than the average studio apartment.
We're working a pull-up Monday.
The hipages lever.
The enormity of the demolition and everything, we were thinking of pulling it.
You're pulling the high page. You're going to pull it really on a bedroom,
And the wardrobe.
Do you think that's smart?
Probably not. Probably not.
Okay, it's your choice. Why would you pull it this week? You'll save that for a wet area where you've got the 3 or 4 extra trades, or you'd save it for outside week when they've got to clad the whole house, or even hallway week, which is always a nightmare. Just doesn't make sense.
Did you see what we had to demo?
Yeah, I know.
Jeez.
Yeah.
It's after lunch and there's no progress on the demo.
Where you gone?
I'm still getting things out, so I can start demoing.
Oh, mate.
Yeah, I know.
I'm getting worried.
Yeah, I know you're getting worried. I'm getting worried too.
You've got the biggest area this week.
I know I have. Yep. And I've got to... Excuse me, guys.
We're not going to be able to get this all done in 5 days.
I don't care. I don't care if we don't do it, to be honest.
What do you mean?
Leave it go. I've had enough. I'm getting frustrated with it. Everyone, constant. I haven't done it. I'm trying to...
All
What have
right.
we done?
All right. It's fine. Harry, we're losing a day today without trades. I think we need to pull the lever.
Yeah, I'm not pulling a river now. I'm not.
Can I ask the reason why?
Because we've got all trades tomorrow. Robbie's going to be here tomorrow with his team.
Are we going to be able to... Does he know we're going to have to demolish tomorrow?
Yep.
We're going to be a day behind.
We have to everyone stay behind.
Are you comfortable with that?
Yeah, I am comfortable with that.
All right, the man has spoken. No lever pulling this week.
After a frustratingly slow start, Harry has finally sprung into action and demo in House 1 has begun.
Oh, Harry Pavlou. Lucky you were wearing a hard hat.
Wear a helmet. Are we pulling the lever today, or are we going to work harder today to get this demo done?
We're just going to work hard, mate.
Okay, don't. No.
Are we doing it?
No, we're not going to do it.
Now, mate,
Yeah, tell me.
are you still going to pull the hipages lever?
Now, let's just hold there a minute. Let's revisit the Harry hipages timeline.
We're going to pull the hipages lever this morning.
Pull the lever tomorrow. Premature at the moment to pull it. Yeah, we'll pull it. We're not pulling the lever. Later on.
All right, the man has spoken.
Pull it, don't pull it.
No lever pulling this week.
If you think we need to pull it, I'll pull it. Do you really want to pull it? It's going to happen this morning, yes.
All right, pull it.
Pull the lever today, or are we going to work harder today to get this demo done?
We're just going to work hard, mate.
Okay, done.
Need a frame out?
Yeah.
It's a front window with an archway.
Yep. Pull it.
It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. We're going to have in hands.
Let's pull it. Yep.
You decided to do this at the end of a day on Tuesday.
Yeah.
Which leaves us.
Which leaves
How
us
many
only...
days?
4 days.
Yeah. Hopefully that's enough.
Yeah.